Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see top 20 GK questions which are asked in all the exams. Friends, you watch the video but do not subscribe. You are requested to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. So the first question is, Article 280 of the Indian Constitution lays down the establishment of the. Right answer is option C, Finance Commission. Friends, according to Article 280, the Finance Commission is established for a period of 5 years. The Finance Commission is a constitutional body constituted by the President of India. The Finance Commission of India was established in 1951. The first chairman of the Finance Commission was K.C. Neogi. Presently, the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission is Nand Kishore Singh. In which Indian state will you find the river Muhuri? Right answer is option B, Tripura. Friends, Muhuri is a river originating from Lusai Hills in northeast India. It originates and flows through in the southern part of Tripura and enters Bangladesh. It joins river Fani near the Bay of Bengal. Which type of mountains in the northwest, north and northeast bind India? Right answer is option B, Youngfold Mountains. Friends, India is bounded by the Himalayas in the northwest, north and northeast. The Himalayas are known as Youngfold Mountains. The average height of mountain peaks in the Himalayan region is about 6,000 meters. The money bill is defined in which article of the Constitution of India? Right answer is option A, Article 110. Friends, Article 110 of the Constitution deals with the money bills. A bill is said to be a money bill if it only contains provisions related to taxation, borrowing of money by the government, expenditure from or received to the Consolidated Fund of India. Money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha with prior approval from the President. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of. Right answer is option C, atomic nucleus. Friends, Ernest Rutherford was interested in knowing how electrons were arranged within an atom. Rutherford prepared an experiment for this. In this experiment, fast-moving alpha particles were made to fall on a thin gold foil. He chose a gold foil because he wanted the layer to be as thin as possible. This gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. Who among the following constructed the Jamaat Khana Mosque in Delhi? Right answer is option B, Khizr Khan. Friends, the Jamaat Khana Masjid or Khilji Mosque is the earliest mosque in Delhi, built in 1315 to 1325 AD by Khizr Khan, son of Sultan Alauddin Khilji. What was the official mascot of the ICC Men's ODI Cricket World Cup 2023? Right answer is option A, Blaise and Tonk. Which is the largest lake in South America? Right answer is option A, Lake Titicaca. Friends, Titicaca Lake is the largest lake in South America. It is also the world's highest lake navigable to large vessels. The lake is situated 3,810 meter above sea level. It is situated between Peru to the west and Bolivia to the east. What happens to the salinity at the surface of the ocean? Right answer is option B, increases by the loss of water to ice or evaporation. Which among the following festival marks the menstruation period of the goddess Kamakhya in Assam? Right answer is option A, Ambubachi Mela. Friends, Ambubachi Mela is also known as Ambubasi Festival or Ameti Festival. Is an annual religious festival celebrated in the Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, Assam, India. It is held every year in mid-June. According to Hindu mythology, during the festival, the goddess Kamakhya is believed to undergo her annual menstrual cycle. Kamakhya is primarily worshipped in the Kamakhya temple located on the Nilachal hill in Guwahati, Assam, India. What is the dominant substance that makes up the hair, nails and the top layer of skin in the human body? Right answer is option C, keratin. Friends, human nails and hairs are made up of keratin. Keratinocytes produce keratin. Keratin is a type of protein that forms the cells that make up the tissue in the nails, hairs, and other parts of the body. It makes hair strong and resilient. Organisms belonging to the phylum blank are also called flatworms. Right answer is option B, Platyhelminthes. Friends, animals belonging to the phylum Platyhelminthes are also called flatworms due to their dorsoventrally flattened bodies. Examples are liver fluke, tapeworm, etc. They are found as endoparasites in human beings. When was Subhash Chandra Bose elected as the President of the Indian National Congress? Right answer is option D, 1938. Friends, Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Independence for India League with Jawaharlal Nehru. Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress at the Haripura session 1938 and Tripuri session 1939. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Forward Bloc 1939 in Calcutta. Subhash ji took command of Azad Hind Fauj in Singapore in 1943 and established an Indian provisional government there. The Indian struggle was the autobiography of Subhash ji. When is the World Soil Day celebrated annually? Right answer is option A, 5 December. Friends, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations endorsed World Soil Day in June 2013. It was officially accepted in the 68th Conference of the United Nations General Assembly, and in December 2013, the United Nations General Assembly declared 5 December as World Soil Day, and the first official World Soil Day was celebrated on 5 December 2014. Which river is also known as Sorrow of Bihar? Right answer is option A, Kosi. Friends, Kosi River originates from Tibet. Kosi River flows in China, Nepal and in India. Kosi River causes floods in Bihar, hence it is called the Sorrow of Bihar. Which team has won the title of ICC Men's ODI Cricket World Cup 2023? Right answer is option B, Australia. Friends, Australia beats India by 6 wickets in Cricket World Cup final match by defeating and achieving the World Cup crown. The Australian team won the Cricket World title for the sixth time: 1987, 1999, 2003, 2007, 2015 and 2023. Virat Kohli got the title of Player of the Tournament, and in the final match, Player of the Match went to Travis Head. Where is the Central Tobacco Research Institute located? Right answer is option C, Rajamundry. Friends, the Indian Central Tobacco Committee established the Central Tobacco Research Institute. Central Tobacco Research Institute was established in Rajamundry, Andhra Pradesh in 1947. It functions under the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. The Government of India, under the Tobacco Board Act of 1975, established the Tobacco Board. Every year, World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31 May. Which type of mirror is used by dentists to see large images of patients' teeth? Right answer is option D, concave mirror. The constitutional authority vested with the power of declaring caste and tribes as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is the right answer is option C, President of India. Friends, the constitutional authority vested with the power of declaring caste and tribes as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is the President of India. Article 341 empowers the President to include the names of various caste and tribes in a special list. In which of the following years was the All India Harijan Sevak Sangh founded? Right answer is option C, 1932. Friends, All India Harijan Sevak Sangh was founded by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1932. It was founded in Delhi. It is also known as the All India Anti-Untouchability League. Harijan Bandhua and Harijan Sevak were the two newspapers started by Mahatma Gandhi. Friends, if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.